Welcome to the crossover disassemble video. First, remove the basket by lifting it upwards and away from the tiller. Set the basket aside and move over to the seat. Pull the lever on the left-hand side to fold the backrest down. Then, while pulling the yellow lever on the right-hand side under the seat, spin the chair clockwise and lift the seat to remove it. Next, carefully lift the batteries one at a time using the handles on top of them. Remove and place to the side. To remove the rear end, pull the yellow lever on the top of it backwards to release it. Keep one hand on the seat mount to steady the front end while you do so. Then carefully lift the front end away from the rear end. Moving on to the tiller, place one hand on the handles while you undo the red handle on the inside of the tiller. Slowly lower the tiller down towards the footwell of the scooter and then lock in place using the yellow handle on the front. That concludes our video on how to disassemble the crossover mobility scooter. For further information, please don't hesitate to contact us on 0892484180. Thank you for watching.